Hello everyone, today we're going to review the WAINLUX Z3 portable laser engraving machine. This compact and lightweight machine is perfect for those who love DIY projects or need to create custom designs for their business. Let's dive into the details of this machine. Before we get into the details of its capabilities, let's take a moment to appreciate the unboxing experience. The box includes a user manual, a power adapter, some accessories, safety goggles, and the engraver machine itself. Setting up the WAINLUX Z3 portable laser engraving machine is incredibly easy and straightforward. One of the standout features of this machine is that it does not require extensive setting adjustments before you can start using it. The Z3 comes with a bottom hollow and rotatable design, providing more carving modes. Both the flat and convex sides of the movable board can be placed according to your needs for carving and cutting. With this unique rotatable design, the Z3 can engrave any bevel within 180 degrees. You can also place the Z3 directly on top of large objects for accurate marking and break the height and area limitations. These machines can easily connect to mobile phones or computers through Bluetooth 5.0 or USB data, enabling users to transfer their embroidery patterns seamlessly. The software is developed by WAINLUX and is easy to understand, making it a good choice for DIY fans, especially beginners. The WAINLUX Z3 laser engraver comes with an upgraded autofocus and lift design. With just one touch, the machine can automatically focus on the surface and project a preview of your image before engraving, making your work more efficient. Plus, its foldable design means that you don't have to install anything. You can take it with you wherever you go, as it's compact, lightweight, and can be powered via a power bank. With 5-watt laser power and 0.05mm ultra-long and finer infrared laser, the WAINLUX Z3 is capable of fast and precise engraving. The maximum engraving speed is 600mm per second, making each engraving lifelike. The fixed engraving area is 80mm by 80mm, providing a good working area. The Z3 laser cutter and engraver machine comes with motion protection and overheat monitoring to ensure the safety of users and equipment. WAINLUX Z3 laser engraving machine adopts the latest galvanometer technology, making it 3 times faster than traditional engraving machines. Its compressed spot is reduced to 0.05mm, making it highly accurate and efficient. For the engraving needs of irregular or large objects, Z3's laser module comes with an adjustable function to meet the engraving needs of different angles. At the same time, the bottom shelf is a non-fixed design. When engraving large objects, you can remove the shelf board and place the machine directly on the table for engraving, which is very simple and convenient. The Z3 engraving machine can engrave paper, cardboard, wood, leather, acrylic, anodized aluminum, painted aluminum, stainless steel, and more. It can cut wood, paper, and leather. Now let's put the Z3 to the test and see how it performs live. Here I will show all the scenes I engraved and the results. As you can see from the engraved samples, the WAINLUX Z3 portable laser engraving machine delivers impressive results across various materials. The laser power and precision allow for intricate and detailed engravings, bringing your designs to life. Overall, the WAINLUX Z3 portable laser engraving machine is an excellent choice for those looking for a fast and precise engraving experience. Its compact and lightweight design allows you to take it with you wherever you go, and its easy-to-use software and safety features make it a great option for beginners and experienced users alike. Well, that's all for this video. We hope you enjoyed learning more about this amazing laser engraving. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and have a great day.